Hello everybody and welcome back to Crafting with Miss Kendell. My name is Miss Kendell and I work at the Wayne County Public Library Children's Department. With the month of February finally here, we get to celebrate once again Valentine's Day. Now I know Valentine's Day is just one day out of the whole month, but for the entire month of February we're going to be celebrating hearts and love and giving things to loved ones to make them smile. So for our first craft for February today, we are going to be making a paper heart wreath. So it doesn't have to necessarily be related to Valentine's Day. You can make this at any point of the year and you can hang it up, give it to a loved one, or do whatever you want with your paper heart wreath. So today's craft, you will need some paper. You'll need a bunch of different colors, or if you have one specific color that you like, you can always do that, but you're going to need a couple sheets of paper. You're also going to need scissors, a stapler, any color of string that you want to use, and some tape. You'll also need an adult with you in case if you need some help. So the first thing that we're going to do is create the strips of paper to make the hearts. So you're going to take your paper and make sure it's going long ways, and you're going to cut the paper into strips. You can make them about an inch thick, or if you want bigger hearts, you can make them bigger, or you can make the strips smaller if you want skinnier hearts. But I'm going to cut this into strips that are about an inch thick. And they don't have to be perfect. You just cut straight down, just like that. So it looks like that. And you're going to do that to the entire paper to get as many strips as you can. And again, you can use as many colors as you want, or if you just want to use one color, you can. But you're going to cut your paper into a bunch of strips. Like I've already done here. I have all sorts of colors. And now we're going to create the heart shape out of the paper. And we're going to make 8 of these hearts, but I'll show you how to make them here. Let's make a purple one here, my favorite color. So the first thing you're going to do with your strip is to fold it like this, long ways, and crease it at the bottom so it looks like a V. And then to make the heart, you're going to turn one little piece inward, turn the other little piece inward, just like that. Kind of pinch them so that they come together, and already you can tell it looks like a heart. And then to make them stick, you can use glue, or I find it's really easy to use a stapler. So you're going to staple both of those little ends together so it looks like a heart. So I'll do that again to show you again how to make your little heart. Again, you're going to take your strip and crease it at the bottom just like that. So it looks like a V. You're going to turn one side in, take the other end in, make the two ends meet, and then you're going to staple them together. There we go. So it looks like that. And you can adjust them then too. They look a little wonky to make your heart. So my wreath, I am using 8 of those paper hearts. But you can use as many as you want to make your wreath as big or as small as you'd like. So now that we have all of our hearts created, I have a different color for each heart, we're going to put them together. And to do that, you're just going to take 2 of the hearts, kind of make it so that it looks like that, and you're going to staple right in here. So you're going to staple both those hearts together, and again, if you don't have a stapler, you can use glue or you can even use tape. I just prefer a stapler. So there's 2 of our hearts. I'm going to take 2 other ones here and do the same thing again, meet them down here so that they're touching, and staple them together. Let's do 2 more. Again, make them come together like that, and staple them together. Same with the last 2. Put them together. Make them line up as perfectly as you can, and staple them. So now it's time to put all of those pieces together, and it's just the same way as we did before. If you want to do just 4 hearts, it almost looks like a 4-leaf clover, but you're going to take two of the hearts and staple them together, just like that. Oops. There we go. Now we're not going to staple down here. Instead, we're going to take one of the hearts, kind of lift it up, and add on one of the other little sections we made. Staple those together, just like that. We're not going to staple right here. If you want to, you can, but we still have one last section of hearts to make, so we're not going to staple these two. We're going to separate them, and we're going to bring in the other set that we made. You may need an adult to help you with this since it gets kind of crowded, but you're just going to staple those two together. Now we can staple the last little hearts together. So you're going to kind of move those out of the way. Oops. They always want to slide on you. That's okay. Make them meet and take your stapler and staple them together. If you want to leave it like this, you can hang it up like that on one of the little hearts. Or if you want to use a string to hang it up, all you do is take whatever color string that you want, roll out a little bit of it so it's like this, and then I'm going to use some tape to make it stick to the hearts. So let's put it kind of down in the crease of one of these little sections and just tape it like that. Do it again on one of the other sides here. Let's do this yellow one here. And go down one of the creases here. There we go. And then there is your paper heart wreath. And this you can hang up in your house, or you can give to a loved one for them to hang up in theirs. But that is how you make today's paper heart wreath craft, and I will see you guys next time.